you like to do the things you know that we shouldn't do, baby I'm perfect, baby I'm perfect for you. And if you like midnight driving with the windows down, and if you like going places that we can even pronounce, if you like to do whatever you've been dreaming about, baby I'm perfect, baby I'm perfect. So let's start right now. Baby I'm perfect, baby I'm perfect. So let's start right now. One look and then yung iba na malagkit, dumikit ang tingin ng mata. One smile, iba ng ibig sabihin. Di na friends ang tingin niya sa'kin every day, but I think we're together every week. Palaging may sleepover. Ang tawag niya sa mami ko ay tita. Bakit pa hindi ko nun nakita until out of the blue? I'm feeling so true. Bigla na lang sinabi sa akin that this guy is in love with you, pare. This guy is in love with you, pare. This guy is in love with you, pare. Bading na bading sa'yo. La la la, 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 la. Sa pagsapit ng dilim, ako'y naghihintay pa rin sa iyong maagang pagdating. Pag ako'y nababalisa, kung di ka kapiling, bawat sandali mahalaga sa atin. Tulad ng ibong malaki, la la la, la la la, na 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 na, la la la, la la la, na 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 na. Sa pagsapit ng dilim, ako'y naghihintay pa rin sa iyong maagang pagdating. Pag ako'y nababalisa, kung di ka kapiling, bawat sandali mahalaga sa atin. Tulad ng ibong malaya ang pag-ibig natin. Tulad ng langit na kaya sarap marating. Ang bawat tibok ng puso'y kay sarap damhihin. Tulad ng himig na kay sarap awitin. Ikaw ang nakatabi, di makapaniwala. Parang may hiwagang nadama na tumama sa'yo ang aking mga mata. Yeah. Sabi nila'y ng pag-asa, kung wala'y ano itong darama. Ayoko nang pumarap kahit saan mapunta. Ayoko nang pumarap kung ikaw ang kasama. Ayoko nang pumarap, ayoko nang pumarap, ayoko na. Ayoko nang pumarap kahit saan palumiko. Ayoko nang pumarap, sana di na huminto. Ayoko nang pumarap, ayoko nang pumarap, ayoko na kung ikaw ang kasama. Ah, 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 Maybe we got lost in translation. Maybe I asked for too much, but maybe this thing was a masterpiece. Till you tore it all up, running scared. I was there, I remember it all too well. Yeah, it wasn't my everything till we were nothing, and it's taken me a lot to say. Now that he's gone, my heart is missing something. So it's time I push my pride away. 'Cause you are my everything. You are my everything. Now we're starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do. I'm feeling inside again. 'Cause every time I look at you, I know we're starting over again. This time we'll love all the pain away. Welcome home, my lover and friend. We are starting over again. Once upon a time, a few mistakes ago, I was in your sight. You got me alone. You found me, you found me, you found me. I guess you didn't care, and I guess I like that. And when I felt hard, you took a step back. Without me, without me, without me. When it's long gone, when you're next to me, and I realize the blame is on me. 'Cause I know you were trouble when you walked in. I see my needed to be two places I've never been. But I'm dying on a cold hard ground. Oh, 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 trouble, trouble, trouble. Oh, 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 trouble, trouble. Hey, I've been walking around the city all day, just to find you walking away, right up on my eyes. And you always wanna do what you do, and then not to find out the truth. And others who are in love with you, but I don't think I'll go on. But I know I'm gonna have to try. Lord, give me a reason why. Gotta know what to do, gotta find all the truth, gotta see the reason why. Gotta go with the flow, ain't gonna lose control, 'cause I know I'm gonna win the fight. Screaming, yeah, 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 yeah. Remembering him comes some flashbacks and echoes. Tell myself it's right now. Gotta let go, but moving on from him is impossible. And I still see it all in my head.